Governor Biswabhushan Harichandan is likely to discuss with experts at Raj Bhavan here on Monday on two bills forwarded to him by the state government, the Three Capitals Bill and the APCRDA Repeal Bill. According to Raj Bhavan sources, the officials concerned have been preparing a note on the two bills while the state government sent the bills for the governor's approval on Saturday. The principal opposition YSRCP has been opposing the bills. It has opposed the proposal of setting up three capitals in the state and shifting of the state capital from Amaravati. BJP State President Kanna Lakshmi Narayana also wrote a letter to the governor urging him not to give assent to the bills. Under these circumstances, everyone in the state has been eagerly waiting for the decision of governor. The possible decisions of the governor on these bills will include giving an assent or take a legal opinion or take an opinion from the Attorney General of India on the Three Capitals Bill. The YSRCP government believes that it has satisfied all the provisions and proceedings pertaining to the two bills as suggested by the Constitution of India and rules framed according to that. On the other hand, the TDP has been arguing that there are many demerits in the bills which must be addressed before making them acts. The Legislative Council did not reject the bills, however, it has referred the amendments proposed to the Select Committee of the Council. When the state government introduced the bills for the second time, the Council did not consider them as they were pending with the Select Committee. The matter regarding Amaravati as the capital city is pending with the High Court and therefore it is sub judice. As per the AP Reorganization Act, there shall be only one capital and not more than that for Andhra Pradesh. Meanwhile, the state unit of the BJP explained that the Reorganization Act provides for only one capital to the state. The bill on decentralization of capital is against the Reorganization Act is condensed. Further, the previous government has raised an amount of rupees 2,000 crore through the sale of Amaravati bonds for development of capital region Amaravati, apart from 32,000 acres given by the farmers for construction of the capital. On the other hand, the YSRCP government insists that it has followed all the legal formalities in bringing forth the bills. The government is expecting that the bills will get the assent of the governor on Monday itself.